This is how you know the automotive industry is in collapse. Right here, we have a wonderful Ford, 2018 Ford Explorer. This is a wiper trans. Okay, and as you can see here, it's designed to fail. This is the wiper arm pivot. Okay, right here, look at that. They put a nice little slot conveniently so they break. This is the other side. Just look at this. How convenient is that? So if the wipers get stressed by leaving ice and snow on your windshield and you turn them on, the stress puts pressure on this. Oops! And it breaks at the design failure point. Very interesting. That's where the wiper trans goes. So somebody's going to have a bunch of work to do when this part eventually fails. Sad day in automotive world. Gotta love it.